Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an interesting video for you. My old subscribers, thank you for staying back. If you're a new one, you're really welcome. Don't hesitate to subscribe, turn on this notification bell so that you know when next I'll be posting. So let's go into it. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make sausage roll, your homemade sausage roll. The way you can make for your children, for your husband, for yourself, for your maybe you have visitors who want to make them happy, you can make sausage roll for them. So I will be leaving the ingredients and their measurements in the description box. Go there and check my ingredients. I started by making the dough for the sausage roll. I mixed every dry ingredient together, then add butter to it. The measurements, everything is there in the description box. Incorporate everything together before I go in with water, cold water to be precise, bit by bit until I reach the right consistency for the dough. Cover it and keep aside to rest for some time. While the dough is resting, let's make the filling. Inside my food processor, I added sausage roll, fresh pepper, that's totally optional, white onion, you can use any type of onions you like, then egg, curry, white and black pepper. Blend everything together and see how smooth it is. You can add little flour to be able to bind it together. This is the consistency, the right consistency for it. So after that, clean up your work surface, drop in some oil or flour, anyone you feel like, to be able to work on your dough freely. This is our dough after resting for 30 minutes. So you roll the dough just as you're seeing in the video. Roll it, you understand, cut off the rough edges, then put your sausage inside and roll it. You understand, the purpose here is to get more than one sausage roll. You can as well decide to leave it this long but it's not nice, you know. You try to leave it this way, but look at, you can cut it any size of your choice. You can make it bigger, depending on how you want to, serve it. It's already looking delicious as if I was start eating it. So after that, transfer to your baking pan, egg wash and bake. I set my oven in 180 degrees and I baked for 15 minutes. Yes, and our look at sausage roll is ready. You can see how crunchy, how crispy it is. Very delicious. You need to try this. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.